Hey Twinkl parents, let's take a look at how to make this Thank You Teacher apple card. To create this you will need the apple card template, coloured paper, scissors, felt tip pen and glue stick. Start by cutting around each template neatly. Start by folding one of the pieces of red card in half widthways. You then need to place one of the apple templates onto the folded card. Using a pencil, draw around the outline of the apple template onto the card. I have used black felt tip pen so you can see the outline clearly. Neatly cut around the apple outline, cutting through the folded card. This will create 2 copies of the apple. You now need to repeat this process with the red card. Once you have done this, you then need to fold the card apple shape in half. And now glue the halves together to create your 3D apple. Now place the leaf template onto the green card and use it to draw the outline of 2 leaves 1 cm apart from each other. Draw a long stalk between the 2 leaves so that they can all be joined together. Cut neatly around the leaves and stalk outline. Spread glue onto the back of the stalk and add to the cream side of the apple shape. Open up the card and use a felt tip pen to write a lovely message of thanks to your teacher or teaching assistant. And there you have it, a simple 3D card that you can make at home with your children.